Ever received a notice from the Income Tax Department and wondered how to respond correctly? If yes, this video has some crucial information for you. Income tax departments usually serve notices to any person or entity under Section 133 Clause 6 of the Income Tax Act, demanding additional information, documents, statements, and records concerning a taxpayer. The purpose behind seeking such information is to thoroughly verify the taxpayer's credentials and inspect discrepancies, if any. In this video, we will dig deeper into the details of Section 133 notices, understanding the ways to file a correct response to them. So, let's start. What is Section 133 Clause 6 of the Income Tax Act? Section 133 Clause 6 is a legal provision under the Income Tax Act, by which the Income Tax Department is empowered to collect additional information and documents of the taxpayers from any public or private entity. This includes documents related to tax affairs like bank statements, property records, income statements, and so on. The purpose behind seeking this excess information is to thoroughly inspect the taxpayer's claims, authenticity of specific transactions, and source of income. The department can also issue notices to conduct inquiries and verification under this section. But why are such inspections and inquiries required? Let's understand. The department can serve income tax notices under Section 133 for several reasons. Here are a few of them. Number 1. Delay in filing ITR. Number 2. Incomplete or inaccurate ITR missing relevant information. Number 3. Discrepancies between reported income and actual income as per bank records. Number 4. Apprehensive transactions that require clarification, and finally, Number 5. Routine verification to ensure accuracy. So, if you're sent a notice due to any of these reasons, you must know how to deal with them. How to reply to income tax notices under Section 133. If the department notices any discrepancies or mismatches in a taxpayer's affairs that need further investigation, it will send a written notice under Section 133. The entity receiving the notice must reply or respond correctly within time. Delay or inaccuracy in filing the response can lead to penalties, which we will discuss later. For now, let's understand the process of filing the response. The first step is to log into the income tax portal. For this, you can use your user ID and password. Individuals like salaried employees, senior citizens, freelancers, and NRIs can use their PAN or Aadhaar as user ID. Corporate entities like companies, trusts, and HUFs can use their organization PAN for this purpose. After logging in, you can proceed to the next step on the portal's dashboard. Navigate to Pending Options followed by e-Proceedings. On the new page, select Self as category, and go to View Notices. You can download the notice and thoroughly go through it to understand what the department wants from you. Once you are aware of the information and documents you need to provide, go to the Submit Response option to file your reply. You can either go for a partial response or a full response depending on the adequacy of information and documents you possess. Attach the documents just below your written response on the screen. Finally, submit and receive your acknowledgement number. Your response will be successfully filed. If you need any assistance, you can consult our experts at Setindiabiz. Contact details are mentioned in the description of this video. Found this video helpful? Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more informative content ahead. Thanks for watching.